Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the FV function in Excel to calculate the future value of your investments. Initial investment, this is the starting amount you invest. Interest rate 6% annually. Monthly payment, the regular monthly payment you make into the investment. For this example, it's €100. Months, 96. The total number of periods for which you will make these payments. To calculate the future value in Excel, use the FV function with the following formula. First, rate is interest rate per period. In this case, for monthly compounding, you would use 6%/12 months. NPR, the total number of payment periods, which is 96 months. PMT is payment amount per period, which is minus 100. Use a negative sign because it represents an outflow of money. PV, the present value, or initial investment, which is minus 25,000, negative because it's an outgoing payment. Type is timing of the payment, which defaults to 0 for the end of the period, but can be set to 1 for the beginning. As result, we received amount of money we would have after 96 months. If the result is currently displayed in pounds, but you want it in euros, you can easily change the formatting in Excel. Right-click on cell, choose Format Cell, and in category currency you can choose which you want. To explore how changes to your inputs affect the future value, adjust the initial investment, interest rate, or number of months. By tweaking these inputs, you can see real-time changes in the future value calculated by the formula, helping you explore different financial scenarios. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.